Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best pig roast rotisserie is probably one of the most versatile and enjoyable cooking methods for large gatherings, offering a unique and flavorful experience that will impress your guests and create lasting memories. Whether you're a seasoned pitmaster or a novice cook, this comprehensive guide will walk you through everything you need to know about selecting, using, and maintaining a pig roast rotisserie, ensuring a successful and delicious pig roast every time. Number 5. High-torque rotisserie motor. This powerful motor is perfect for cooking large roasts. It's built to handle heavy loads and provides even cooking every time. With a 200-pound capacity, it can handle even the largest whole pigs or lambs. Just remember to balance your load for optimal performance. It features a universal spit connection, accommodating various sizes up to 13/16 of an inch with an adjustable screw. Setup is quick and easy. It has a proven track record, having successfully cooked thousands of roasts. You can trust it to deliver consistent results. The internal fan keeps it cool during operation, making it reliable and easy to use. Enjoy hassle-free cooking with this dependable motor. It runs on standard 110-volt power at 6 revolutions per minute for slow, even cooking. It's simple to operate and maintain. We stand behind our product. Buy with confidence knowing you're getting a high-quality, reliable rotisserie motor. What we like. It boasts an impressive weight capacity and durable metal gears, ensuring reliable performance for even the largest roasts. If you need a heavy-duty rotisserie motor that can handle large and unbalanced loads, this is the one for you. This powerful motor is perfect for serious pitmasters who demand the best. What people say. It was very easy to install on our pit. It fit perfectly, super quiet while in use and an inexpensive addition to any great barbecue. We roast a 250 pounds pig with this rotisserie. It is very strong, great torque. I roasted a 80 pounds pig for 6 hours with no problems. Holds a pig or overall of 75 pounds without no problems. Number 4. Outdoor Electric Rotisserie Grill Kit. Get ready to elevate your outdoor cooking with this incredible rotisserie grill kit. It's perfect for roasting large cuts of meat, ensuring a juicy and flavorful result every time. With its heavy-duty design, it can handle up to 125 pounds of meat. Roast a whole pig, lamb, turkey, or chicken, the possibilities are endless. It features a powerful 45W motor that ensures consistent, even roasting. Say goodbye to unevenly cooked meat and hello to perfectly roasted perfection. It offers 8 different height settings, allowing you to customize the cooking distance for optimal results. Find the perfect height for your chosen meat and cooking style. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to last and incredibly easy to clean. Enjoy years of delicious outdoor cooking with minimal maintenance. It's incredibly easy to assemble and use. You'll be roasting delicious meals in minutes. We even include all the necessary tools for a quick and straightforward setup. What we like. This model offers great versatility with its adjustable height and straightforward assembly. If you value convenience and the ability to customize your cooking height for different meats, then this rotisserie is an excellent choice. It's perfect for those who want a hassle-free roasting experience. What people say. Manufactured from what looks to be thick steel. I was worried about the motor, but it worked reliably and without laboring, turning a 44-pound pig for 7 hours over a large fire bowl. Solid stainless steel parts and construction. Worked great for over 8 hours doing a 70 to 80 pounds hog. Had to cut some of the legs to get them not to rub on the motor and lose balance. Number 3. CXB 85 Barbecue Spit Roaster. It boasts a powerful 40W motor, ensuring consistent and reliable performance. This high-quality motor is built to last, unlike some of our competitors' models. It's designed to handle large roasts weighing up to 85 pounds. We've conservatively rated it to ensure a safe and successful cooking experience. This complete kit includes everything you need except for the meat itself. All the hardware and accessories are provided for effortless setup and cooking. The extra-long 60-inch spit rod accommodates even the largest roasts, unlike shorter models. Its robust, 2-piece design ensures stability and durability. It's designed and serviced by a team right here in the USA. We're committed to providing excellent support and service to our customers. What we like. It's a comprehensive kit that includes everything you need for a successful roast, and the extra-long spit rod accommodates larger cuts of meat. If you prefer a complete, all-in-one solution with a long spit rod, this is the ideal option for you. It simplifies the roasting process and ensures you have all the necessary components. What people say. Held our 35 pig like there was nothing on there. Turned well and just did an outstanding job. Very heavy duty and would highly recommend. It's great that worked well for a 60 pounds of pig and it worked very well and easy to put together, I recommend it. The motor is more than enough, at least for our 70 pounds hog. The spit rod and braces were easy to use. Number 2. Barbecue Charcoal Rotisserie Grill. It holds up to 88 pounds of food. Roast all kinds of meat at once with the included grill fork and net. The large grilling surface ensures there's plenty of room for a feast. This grill is ideal for family gatherings, picnics, and camping trips. It's perfect for roasting lamb, chicken, pork, or any other food you desire. Enjoy delicious barbecued meals with your loved ones wherever you go. It's made from premium stainless steel, built to resist rust and abrasion. This ensures long-lasting durability and easy cleaning. Simply wipe it down with a soft pad. You can manually rotate the spit or use the powerful 25W electric motor for effortless, automatic roasting. Adjust the height for perfect temperature control, and the vents and ash pan make for easy cleanup. For lockable casters allow for 360 degrees rotation, making it easy to move around. Enjoy stable cooking and effortless mobility compared to traditional grills. What we like. This rotisserie is built with high-quality stainless steel for durability and easy cleaning, and its portability makes it perfect for various cooking locations. If you prioritize durability, ease of cleaning, and mobility, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who like to cook outdoors in different settings. Number 1. Rotisserie Grill Roaster. It holds up to 88 pounds of food. Roast a variety of meat simultaneously on its large grill net, perfect for feeding a crowd. This grill is ideal for family gatherings, picnics, or camping trips. Enjoy delicious barbecued meals wherever you go. Made from premium stainless steel, it's built to last. Its durable construction resists rust and abrasion for years of use, and it's easy to clean. Roast your food manually or use the upgraded 25W electric motor for effortless, automatic roasting. Adjust the height for perfect temperature control. For lockable casters make it easy to move around. The 360 degrees rotating wheels ensure stability during cooking. What we like. This rotisserie is built with high-quality stainless steel for durability and easy cleaning, and its portability makes it perfect for various cooking locations. If you prioritize durability, ease of cleaning, and mobility, this is the one for you. It's ideal for those who like to cook outdoors in different settings. What people say. This is a very good and solid grill. I cooked 2 lambs on it, each 35 pounds. Both came out very good and it took 5.5 to 6 hours to cook. The rotisserie motor worked excellently. The frame was easy to ensemble, it took me 40 minutes to unpack and install. This grill is built very solid. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.